Hello, class, and welcome to our very exciting series of lecture and very exciting subject, which is international finance. And I'm your instructor, Jamal Haider. So most of you guys already know me from my previous, classes from previous semester from different classes. So pretty much I already known you before this recording. We have a detailed discussion regarding the class introduction. So I'm not going to waste time over here. Let's move forward. So the course policy is that, so they're going to be attendance. So this time, the attendance marks, which is 10%, include quizzes, live question and answer. Like right now, I'm explaining something, and if I feel that okay, you guys understand or not, I would ask questions like normally we do. So those who already with me from previous classes, so they know that I set up a lot of practical, checks, practical questions, and concept checkers. So I do encourage class participation. So that also including your 10%. Okay, and the third one is behavior in class. Okay, so like me in my previous classes, this 10% was very easy. You just log on, you turn off your camera, you go to sleep and watch online stuff, and then you claim that okay, we are eligible to have this extra 10% max. But this semester it's not going to happen. So I want your engagement, and that 10% means attendance plus your class engagement, not participation, engagement. Okay, so assignments 30%, midterm 30%, final 30%. So those who want to pass this course, for them, let me explain you that the attendance marks and assignment marks total 40%. So if you submit your assignment on time and you attend the classes, go for these checks, so 40% is in your hand, right? All you need to do from midterm and final term, you need to get 20%, and passing is 60%. So passing this course is not a problem. What I want from you guys to gain the knowledge as much as you can, right? This is a very practical, subject, and it will be included in your daily routine, since we are with the different, parts of the world, we are managing diversity here. So of course, you will be dealing with international stuff beyond borders, right? Whether it's your nature of the job, whether you want to have your own business, you are importing from China, you're exporting to China, exporting some other countries. So this international financial stuff would be there. You would be facing that one. So even if your motive is just to pass, so I would suggest that, it's not very difficult to pass this course, but for you to master your business or to master your future job or securing, good job, the concepts here, especially the application of the concept, is very, very important for you guys, right? Because this is the real knowledge. It's not like bookish knowledge. Plus, so those who already are with me, they know that what is my paper pattern. I don't want to, you to write down big chunks of, just definition and all that stuff. I want application. So I would be including true, false, multiple choice questions so that you can really apply to the scenario that whether, how this concept going to be applicable in real life example as well. We will be talking a lot of examples in this course. Okay. So for those who are, in this course for just to pass, for them, it's the good news as well. But plus those who are in this course to learn something, this is also a very good chance for them to learn international financial knowledge with a good faith as well. So they choose I think, right course. Any question regarding this course policy? Okay, let's move forward. So the 10% attendance marks include behavior in the class. So what I consider misconduct in the class, number one, class disruption. Please do not disturb the class. If you have a pet, If you have a noisy neighbor or something, please, you have always, you know, facility to turn off your microphone. Okay. Plus, do not use cell phone while we are having our online class. Okay. If you are turning on your camera and you are using your mobile like this, that is very disrespectful with the point of view or teacher as well, right? You're turning off your camera and you're using this mobile phone, right? Which is not very good. Okay, even if you want to take a picture and we want to have our class participation, I'm going to be sending this screenshot to you. Plus, even if your camera is turned off, and even there is like, you want to have a very important call or you want to reply some message, please make it silent, so I don't hear the the noise like tick 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 tick. You are replying on WeChat or you are sending messages. So please avoid that one. Okay. So number third, sorry about that. So number third is disrespect either teacher or fellow student. Number four is use of foul languages. So, okay, I understand that you are teenagers or you love to, speak those very, jargons, but you understand that, and very filmy dialogues and all the stuff. Please do avoid that. And please do not disrespect any of the students as well. We are here from different countries. Our level of understanding is different. Our communication style is different. Some countries, students, some countries, if we, understand the nature of some other countries, the environment or culture of other countries, some countries are very open, some countries are very closed. They want to ask questions, and some countries, people, they are shy. Plus, we have individual personalities as well. So please do respect your students. And remember, no question is stupid question. A question is a question. I would categorize it just question, not bad, not good, not stupid, not something extraordinary. A question is question. Please do ask. Okay. And I would require every student to please listen to that question. And that's my job to explain it. Okay. If I feel that that question is not related, I would tell you that, okay, after the class, we would be having conversation after the class so that we can explain over there. Okay. So that is, I would consider misconduct. And of course, this time they're going to be, the marks in your attendance as well. So are we clear? Are we agree on this misconduct? So let me ask one by one. Lota? Lota, can you hear me? Okay, Kathleen?
Yes, understand, sir.
Okay, Crystal? Harry?
Yes.
Janlep?
Yeah.
Juan? Marilyn?
Yes,
Min?
sir.
Nam? Not?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir. Haley?
Yes.
Good, good, good. Let's
Yes, sir.
move forward. Okay, so the preferred textbook that we would be, following is the International Financial Management by Jeff Medora. Edition. So don't worry about buying this book. If you want to buy, it is available on eBay, Amazon, Taobao, or whatever the online platform in your country, or you can go to the bookshop, you can buy the physical hard copy as well. So if you don't want to buy that and you ask help from me, I have its chapters. So which chapters, the chapters we will be studying here, I would be uploading the study material as well. So don't worry about the textbook. Okay. The second preferred book will be the International Financial Management by this Greet and Robert. So it's second edition. So if we would be touching this some chapters from here, so I would be also uploading to our Blackboard and WeChat group as well. So the prerequisite for this course is you must understand at least the basic economics, and the macroeconomics, because this is international finance, and we will be talking about in detail some macroeconomic concepts as well. So at least you have some basic understanding and know-how about the macroeconomics. If you don't know about the macroeconomics, then it will be a little bit difficult for you to grasp all the knowledge or what we are talking about. Sometimes if we are talking about, you will be lost. So that's why I set this prerequisite. Okay, so ready? If you are ready, then we talk about our course content. So let me share a screen with you. International finance, right? So are you seeing this? The PDF file, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. So here we go. We would be having standard 16 lectures. Okay, that is our class policy. We just talked about that would be your learning outcome. So I already uploaded to the BB, but I will be also uploading it right after this class to our WeChat group as well. So what I want to talk about here is this. So we would be having standard 16 lectures, and we would be having our midterm approximately on 6th or 7th week. And regarding my contact, so you can also send me the email. I have also gave you my 2 emails, but I would be I will be how can I say it? Okay, so I would be more available on my Hotmail, because sometimes the DHU server is it's slowed down, or sometimes it's out of contact. So you can send me the email, but that would be not timely reply. Expect some kind of like experiments. Plus, so most of you guys already added to my WeChat account. You can always send me your your assignments to my personal WeChat account as well. So I would be happy, I would be receiving that one as a preferred way to contact as well, or you can send me email as well. So those who didn't send me the request, please send me the WeChat request. I would be adding you. So that would be easy way for you guys to contact me, and I would be available 24/7. Of course, if I'm sleeping, but you can drop me a message, I won't mind. But of course, as soon as I just check my WeChat account, I would be replying you. So you can also send me the email as well. I would be replying the email, but my preferred email would be the Hotmail. You can also send me email through my DHU account, but expect some delays, because there is some kind of like problem with the DHU. Plus, I made a mistake. I think I just realized, and there is no double at. So you see here, JAMALCFA at. This is one at, not double at dhu.edu.cn. Okay. So are we clear?
Clear.
Good, 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 good. Okay, back to our slides. So we are ready to start. So remember, today is our first day. So I would be, not giving you so much pressure. So we would be starting this, subject a little bit with slow pace, and then when time, passes, then we increase our pace. Okay, don't mind, because some students are very good, very intelligent, very active. Some students are lazy, so I need to maintain all the equity. And when I started getting your response, then I would be